Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product review. The last time we had reviewed the Tata Q, which was the Tata Q chicken biryani, and today we are again here to review another product from Tata Q, which is the Tata Q Quick Cuisine Cheesy Pasta with Black Olives. So this is the product that we are going to review today, and this is another ready to eat meal. So it says heat to eat in 60 seconds, and this is what we are going to review today. So let's start off with the review of the product. So starting off with the packaging of the product, first of all we can see the Tata branding here, then the Q branding right here. Quick Cuisine, Q stands for Quick Cuisine. The flavor is mentioned here, which is the cheesy pasta with black olives. It's a pure veg product, so they have shown the vegetarian symbol here. Here they have shown the illustration of the cheesy pasta, and it really looks nice here. It says heat to eat in 60 seconds, so this product will be ready to eat in 60 seconds after heating it in the microwave. Coming to the size of the product, here again there's a Tata Q branding right here, and the name of the product, which is cheesy pasta with black olives. We can see that on all the four sides of the packet. Coming to the back side of the packet, here we have the ingredients mentioned, saying that here we have from the Tata Kitchen, cooked with love. Then we have the ingredients mentioned here. Then next thing in line is the nutrition facts of the product mentioned right here. So now enjoy this delicious meal. It's so easy. All you need to do is just heat it in a microwave. There are two options to cook it. Heat it basically. You heat it in a microwave, or you heat it in a pot of boiling water. So you can on a stove place in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. Contains a fork and a napkin for your convenience. Storage conditions: stored in a cool and dry place. Shelf life is 12 months, which is very good. Coming to the net weight of the product, it's 290 grams, and the MRP of the product is rupees 99. So rupees 99 for a serving of a cheesy pasta is a good price for it. And the best thing about these quick cuisine ready to eat meals are that it is ready to eat it within 60 seconds. You just need to take it out of the packet, just heat it in a microwave, and your meal is ready to eat. So these meals are good when you're traveling and you don't have a facility to cook, and you don't feel like eating outside, or you don't have time to go outside to eat. Then quick meal is for you. So let's go ahead and unbox the product. So right here, here we have product, and we just unbox it quickly. So it's completely sealed. We'll just tear it open here, and on this side as well. So yeah. So here is the box. So this is the inner packaging of the Tata Q cheesy pasta with black olives. This is how it comes in the inner packaging. It's a similar packaging to that of the biryani. The biryani also had come packaged like this. And on the packaging here they have used a green and brown color, and they have mentioned how to heat. So there are instructions given here. If you are using hot water, these are the instructions you have to follow. If you are using a microwave, these are the instructions to follow for the same. Again, on this box they have mentioned, on this packaging here they have mentioned heat to eat in 60 seconds. Do not consume the product if the pack is puffed, has leak, or is bloated. Okay, so again 100% vegetarian product here mentioned over here. Now how to heat. Come to hot water. Do not peel open the tray. You don't need to open it if you're doing it with the hot water method. Boil some water on stove in a large vessel. Once it boils, take the vessel off the stove. Shake the packet well, and immerse the tray in the hot water in the vessel for 3 to 5 minutes. Do not boil the tray directly on the stove. So you don't have to boil it in the water. You need to take a vessel of boiling water and then place the packet inside it. So take out the tray after it's done. After 3 minutes, take out the tray, peel off the cover fully, and mix well and enjoy your pasta. Turn to the microwave method. Shake the pack well. Peel open the tray, cover slightly, do not remove fully, so you have to peel it open halfway, and then keep it in the microwave and then heat it for 60 seconds, then mix well and enjoy. So this is how you have to heat the Tata Q cheesy pasta with black olives. This is the method. So today I'm going to show you all how to heat it using hot water, the first method. The last time we had done it using the microwave method. The chicken biryani we had done using the microwave method. Today we are going to use the hot water method for the cheesy pasta with black olives. So guys, let's go ahead and heat this product. Here is a vessel of boiling water. All we need to do is put the gas off and put in this packet, like shake it well, and just submerge this packet into the boiling water and let it be there for around 3 minutes. We'll let it sit there for 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes inside the boiling water, and then we'll take it off and then shake it well and mix it and then do a taste test. 4 minutes are up, so I kept it in boiling water for 4 minutes, and now I'll take the packet off from the boiling water, and now we'll try to open it and see how does the pasta look. So let's look at the packet. Let's open it and see how does the pasta look. So I'm trying to peel it open for quite some time now, but quite difficult to peel it open. So one thing it's not that easy to peel the packet open. So I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and try to cut off the box itself, so that I'm able to open the packet. So I've opened it using a pair of scissors right now. And then I'm going to just cut it a bit so that I can peel it open now. So the aroma is really nice. I like the cheesy aroma that I'm getting right now from the pasta. And yeah. So guys, here is the cheesy pasta from Tata Q. So this is a cheesy pasta with black olives. You all can see that there are nice chunks of black olive in it. And lots of cheese paste here. And here is a spoon and the napkin that they provided for convenience. So we have a fork and a napkin for convenience. And there's some topping I think they have provided along with it. I think it might be a herb mix or something. So they have given another packet here. So let's tear it open and see what is there inside it. Yeah, it's a herb mix that has come with it. So I think it's oregano and it's just seasoning, pasta seasoning that has come along with the pasta. So packet of pasta seasoning here, and here's the fork that they provided, here's a napkin that they provided. Let's give it a nice mix. And now it's time for the taste test, guys. Let's do the taste test. Let's see how good the Tata Q cheesy pasta with black olives is. So let's go ahead and do the taste test. So guys, I'm going to do the taste test for the cheesy pasta from Tata Q. Cheesy pasta with black olives. So here it goes. I'll take a piece of olive as well and fork so that I get a good taste of it. And here it is. So this is a cheesy pasta with black olives. And here goes the taste test. Very cheesy, very yum. Really nice taste here. Very delectable taste. Doesn't feel like it's a pasta in a box ready mix. It feels like it is made fresh and hot right in the kitchen. Very tasty and very cheesy taste to it. The pasta seasoning also provided gives it a complete amazing taste. So overall, I'll rate the pasta Tata Q Quick Cuisine cheesy pasta with black olives a 5 on 5 for a ready meal. It is just amazing. So I like the way it is packaged. I like that it doesn't take much time to cook. The overall taste and flavor of the pasta is amazing. What I don't like is the price. Price of rupees 99 is a bit high. I think somewhere in the range of 50 to 70 would be a good pricing for the Tata Q pasta. The quantity that we get is a bit less. So they say it's a one person serving, but I feel it's lesser. So yeah, so those are things I didn't like about it. But overall, I like the flavor and the way the pasta is cooked. It is amazing. The flavor is good, and yeah, it's just the price is high. So guys, this was my review about the Tata Q Quick Cuisine cheesy pasta with black olives. Do let me know your views of the same in the comment section below. And if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing food reviews.